Horses out, we have Exceptional Angel, pass to begin, Tameret Cat, moving a party outside on Eduardo's Bez. Take Me Tonight comes next, then followed by Giants Loom, Tatara, and Kingman Joe is the early trailer. We have Exceptional Angel, Viola Lang, Danari inside is Tameret Cat. Take Me Tonight in between horses, alongside Port comes Don Eduardo's Bez, Kingman Joe, Tatara, and Giants Loom going along for the first turn. Now we have Tameret Cat, that Exceptional Angel, fighting it out for the lead. 2 lengths, so in third, Take Me Tonight. Don Eduardo's Best alongside fourth, then comes Kingman Joe, Giants Loom, and Tatara. Exceptional Angel now by about half a length. Tameret Cat is down or inside, Take Me Tonight in third. Don Eduardo's Best alongside fourth, Kingman Joe. Then comes Giants Loom and Tatara. Exceptional Angel, Tameret Cat, Take Me Tonight in the middle. Don Eduardo's Best still in fourth. Then comes Kingman Joe, Giants Loom and Tatara. Red still Exceptional Angel. Tameret Cat is running by the rail. Exceptional Angel by Oralenga. Tameret Cat is down on inside as they come down at the last 150. Tameret Cat, Exceptional Angel fighting out for the lead. Tameret Cat running by the rail. Exceptional Angel is on the outside. But it's still Tameret Cat, our Exceptional Angel, entering the finish line. It's Tameret Cat, Exceptional Angel. Then comes number 2, Take Me Tonight, Don Eduardo's Best.
May nalimutan.